Hey guys, so today we've got a satellite communicator and a GPS.
Where are we going?
Out in the mountains. Hey guys, so we've got my dad's big tackle box and my tackle box. And we've also got the ice chest and our life jackets. We also got our fishing poles.
What else?
And we've also got the canoe.
Ooh, what do we have in the back seat? Let's see.
So we've got my dad's backpack, we've got this, we've got blanket, we got this.
Got your snacks here.
Yeah, all my snacks.
Okay, we got trauma kits, first aid kits. We're ready to go?
Yeah, we're ready. And I think we're gonna have a pretty good time. Bye now. Ready.
All right, you ready, dude?
Yeah.
All right, well, first we got to stop and get gas,
Okay.
okay? And then we'll be on our way to the mountains.
Yeah. I got a slushie.
Dang, ready to go, huh? Getting gas. Got a ghost. You ready? Once we're done with gas, we're going, right?
Yeah. Hi guys, we're almost to the mountains.
How's the drive been going?
Good.
Yeah.
I'm watching this cool wildlife show.
What's it called?
It's called You vs. the Wild.
Whoa, what are they doing?
They're exploring and saving a person. We're in the mountains right now.
Just getting up there, huh?
Yeah.
Still got a ways to go, though, huh?
Yeah.
Look at those rocks, dude. It's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. Hi guys. We are now in the mountains.
Should we roll the windows down?
Yeah.
Got your road sandwich?
Okay.
Where are we, Mr. Explorer?
We are in the mountains.
Doing some what? What are we doing? Four-wheeling?
Yeah.
Going to try to find a lake, huh?
Wow. We've got
Lake's pretty low, huh, buddy? What do you think? I think the water's too low. Can't really get the canoe in because of all the mud.
Yeah.
And the water's super low, so I don't think we're going to be catching any fish from shore. So what do you think, Tristan? Do we stay here and find a campsite somewhere up on the mountain up there? Or
Maybe.
do we go to a different lake?
Maybe we should just camp out here.
You think so? You think we should find a campsite kind of close to the lake somewhere?
Yeah. We are going to go find a campsite in the mountains because my dad found a road going in the mountains.
And the lake's pretty low, huh?
Yeah, the lake's pretty low.
It's pretty out here though, huh, buddy? Check it out. That would have been our ideal campsite, but somebody is already taking it. So we're gonna go find a different one, huh?
Yeah.
Up on a
They got a bad spot, the fish. Really bad spot.
Yeah, but it looks cool, huh?
Yeah. I think they're just gonna build their own front porch right here.
Oh, that'd be cool.
Just have doors. Yep. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Good. Yep. Keep going. Good.
See this rock right here?
Yeah.
I want it right in the middle of the tire, okay? So I'm gonna back up just a little bit more and tell me when to stop, okay?
Stop.
Good?
Yeah. I think I did not know what you meant.
That looks perfect to me. All right, what'd we do, Tristan?
I put the rocks under the tires to make the tent more level.
So that we'll be sleeping more comfy?
Yeah.
Let's see how we did. Not bad. It's not level, but it's a lot better. Should we try to find a bigger rock?
Yeah. Welcome to the War Adventure Camp. Right over here, we've got a campfire.
But we're in fire restrictions. So right now, we're not allowed to have any fires. Don't want to cause a forest fire, right?
No.
Okay. Let's see, what's this behind our camp here? What do we got?
We've got all this thing we might need.
Do we have a mountain right here?
We also got this little area.
Wow.
I'm gonna jump in it. See how good it looks and jump in it. I'll try this at home. It's way too dangerous. You guys try this at home. Do not do this with no hands.
Oh yeah, that'd be crazy, huh? We got Tristy doing some rock climbing over here. He's exploring our little mountain we have. We have a private mountain. We got the truck somewhat level right under this tree. Let's see. Lake is right down here. But it's unfortunately very low. So we can't even get the canoe in it because it's so muddy. We didn't bring boots. Careful, bud, Kay. And then, yeah, we're gonna set up camp, go explore over the mountain a little bit. So we'll be videotaping a hike later, right? Here's our sleeping situation. Sleeping bags. Got this giant fluffy blanket just in case. Got a nice wool blanket underneath. Little pillows. Got the Explorer. I think it's supposed to get down to like 54 tonight. So I think with, this is a 0 degree bag, that's a 32 degree bag. And then with this gigantic fluffy blanket, it should be more than enough, I'm hoping. If not, I guess we'll just become popsicles, huh?
Whatever.
Alright. Got the tent set up. Got our chairs, our step/kitchen, our useless canoe, and there's a wild man over here out in the wilderness. What are we doing?
Exploring. Over here.
You keep showing me the way and I'll just follow, okay?
Wow.
Okay, stay away from that edge. Stay right there, okay? Whoa. Looks like this tree fell, huh?
Right here.
Landed right here on top. There's the lake. There's our camp. What are you doing? Tristan decided he wanted to test out his sleeping bag. What do you think?
Good.
Yeah, you think you'll be nice and cozy tonight?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect.
Hey, we're right now we're gonna go hiking in the mountains.
Yeah, what do you got on you?
I got a GPS, I've got water,
Yep.
and I've got a flashlight and a headlight. My dad got the flashlight.
I have a flashlight, you have a headlamp, right?
Yeah.
And we got some snacks, some water.
Yeah, and I'm all camo, so
Perfect,
they
so-
cannot see me.
Yep, so I think we are ready to go. Hydro bag. Got water.
Yep.
We got satellite communicator, right, just in case. Yep, you got your
GPS.
GPS. Yep, okay.
Gun.
Yep, just in case we see a bad animal, we got a self-defense, right?
Kill it.
Yep.
Well, I think we might see a bad animal, or maybe, just maybe. Should I
Well.
go in that forest?
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, let's go. Even going down this hill.
Yeah, that's pretty cool, huh?
It's pretty cool here, just to keep the forest nice and clean.
Well, that, and if there's a fire, if there's a forest fire, oh look, somebody made a little hut here, a little shelter,
Yeah.
a little fort maybe. But that way, the ground isn't as dirty, and then there's not as many trees. So if there is a fire, it'll be easier to stop and contain, so it doesn't burn the whole forest down.
We'll just burn the pile.
Yeah, it'll just burn piles. Yep.
If I see a bear down there, you kill it.
No, because it's not there right now, right? And so if we see a bear, we just want to scare it away. And then if it doesn't want to go away and it tries to come after us, then we,
Kill it.
well, no, we'll just shoot in the air or something to scare it away. And then if it doesn't stop still, then we shoot it. But we only shoot if we absolutely have to.
Yeah. Very damaged.
You think so?
Yeah, look at all the damage. Let's head in it.
Okay, let's go. I'll follow you.
Do not do these are very sharp.
Okay. Whoa, good jump.
Go around.
This is one of the cleanup piles, huh?
This way.
We still have a lot of work to do, it looks like.
Yeah, wow. Guys, we heard an eagle.
Oh yeah, which way was it?
Over there.
You heard it again?
Wait. How exciting!
You getting a drink of water?
I'm not getting any.
You're not? Need help? There you go. Yep, gotta pull it out. Now bite it and drink. We made it all the way around the mountain to the road, huh? Legs tired? Yeah, should we go back to camp for a little bit? Maybe get something to eat and relax? Okay, lead the way.
Our camp is so close to the lake, and I see a tent somewhere up there. You see those rocks and that mountain, I think that's our camp, maybe.
Okay. I'm following you, kids. You gotta lead us back to camp, alright?
There's our camp.
Perfect. You did a great job.
Right there.
Yeah.
I know I can make it without taking a breath. Then climb this rock up there. Shall we, Dad?
Sure.
Climb the rock up there.
Oh, watch where you're going. Look at this, Tristy. This is elk poop. Look. Keep climbing, dude.
We're almost there. Keep going.
Okay.
Looks like this is the fort.
Kind of, huh? Look at this. Look at this area. It almost looks like it could be like a shelter.
Yeah. Let's keep going this way.
It's like a perfect little site.
Over here.
Okay. You gonna climb all those rocks? Some kind of crazy rock climber?
Just go over here.
Where you plan on going? You plan on going all the way up? Okay, let's go. Back from another hiking adventure.
Yep.
What did we do, Tristy?
We found, well, my dad found some footprints of a fox and a deer and a bobcat.
Mm-hmm.
So that basically means bobcats are out here,
Yeah.
which is really dangerous
Oh, yeah. And then,
for us to be out here with a bobcat.
yeah. And then we climbed a mountain. Took
Yeah.
some cool pictures up there, huh?
Yeah.
And,
Taking some really good pictures.
yep, and now we're almost back to camp, right?
Yeah.
There's camp right there. Pretty cool. And what are we gonna do? Relax for a minute?
I don't know. Yeah.
Wanna relax? Maybe have a snack or something?
Maybe. Yeah, maybe.
Okay. Alright, I guess we're gonna relax and have a snack. What do you think, dude?
Fun.
Yeah, what's your GPS say?
It says there's some river.
The river is that way. So we'd have to climb up over this mountain the rest of the way and keep going. And the river, it's the Pooter
Yeah.
is over there.
Look, it says a river.
Yep, there is a river over there. You're right. And then there's This is Creedmoor Lake. There's another Creedmoor Lake up over this little mountain. And then there's even another one over there. Can you believe that?
And this is my best one. Looks like I didn't need to wait for you.
You're a scaredy cat everywhere else, but you get up in the mountains and you're a madman. Another hike turned into a little bit of a mountain climb.
If you guys love our videos like so much, you can watch everyone.
Yeah. Do you want to make a bunch more videos? Yeah, is this just video number 1 of the Ward Ventures? Perfect. We're up on these rocks.
In the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, in the middle of Colorado. We're right on a cliff face. There's a nice little lake. There's some people camping over there. That's pretty cool. And then here's my little Explorer. Let me see your face. Dirty, dude. You must be camping.
Like spider web.
Yeah.
Wild explore stuff I want to do.
Mm-hmm.
Mountain goat, I'm sort of.
Just sort of? Are you on top of a mountain right now?
Yay!
That makes you a mountain goat.
Am I a goat? No.
You look like a goat.
I know.
You sound like a goat.
Nah.
Tristan, you smell like a goat.
Nah.
So he wanted to go for another hike. Turned into a mountain climbing expedition. So we're up on a mountain. There's a beautiful little lake that we're camped by. Our camp is down. It's beautiful.
I am not a mountain goat.
Look at me. Boy, you look just like a mountain goat.
Ah!
Why don't you just jump? Look. If you jump from there to there. Yep, you got it.
Okay. Scared.
You got it.
Okay, fine.
See? You totally could do that, huh?
Come on here. We're gonna try and go fishing. We don't even know if there is any, but we're gonna go and try, right?
Yeah, better to try, huh?
Yeah, better.
Let's go check it out, dude.
Yeah.
So, looks like water's too low. We can't even really get close enough, and even if we can, like you can see all the way out to there, and the water is still only like an inch or 2 deep. Not seeing any fish striking, any bugs. What do you think?
It looks like we're not having any luck.
Yeah, doesn't look like we can fish, huh? But you know what we can do in the morning?
What?
We'll head to another lake called Lost Lake. Go try that one in the morning. Maybe we'll have better luck. Maybe we can actually fish.
Yeah. How big is the pond?
I don't know. Never been there. We'll go see tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What are we doing now?
Go back to camp.
Okay. Back at camp, relaxing, right before bed, huh? Having a little snack. Got your jammies
I
on?
got 2 chips.
Yep.
This one and the Zach one I had earlier.
Mm-hmm. You have your jammies on?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jamba.
It's almost dark, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're watching You versus Wild by Bear Grylls while we are
In the wild. We're ready to go to bed, but we'll see you tomorrow.
look random.
You versus wild.
Forerunner Life. I want one of those. That's what Daddy wants. So we can do more of this. Those Forerunner is really good. Even that Dad's F-150 does pretty good, huh? But you know what we need?
It's a 4x4.
It is a 4x4, but you know what we need?
What?
Lift kit.
What's a lift kit?
Makes the truck sit taller, and then we could put bigger tires on. so that we can go more places. But anyway, yep, we're going to bed. Just seen a 4Runner go by that I want really bad, huh?
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes. Just think, we could 4x4, camp in it, do the same thing, but go more places.
That's a camper car.
Oh, yeah, it could be. All right.
He's a wee.
What are we doing?
Gonna go to bed.
Say goodnight.
Good night.
See you guys in the morning.
See you guys in the morning.
This is just a picture of the tent right before the sun fully set. Good morning.
Good morning.
How'd you sleep?
Good.
Oh, good. Are you warm?
Yeah.
Comfy?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect. Tristan's having his morning coffee, huh?
Not coffee.
What is it?
Lemonade.
Oh.
See?
How'd you sleep, buddy?
Good.
Yeah? Do you feel rested?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we slept pretty good. The sun peeking up. Morning.
I'm gonna watch my wildlife show.
Yeah, while I start cleaning up camp, right?
Yeah.
Tristan left a mess in there, didn't even make the bed. Can you believe that? Seems Your Highness wanted to be warm. Climb back in here to watch his show in a sleeping bag, and I got to bring him room service. So, I guess we're gonna let Tristy kind of lays about this morning, lay in his sleeping bag, relax for a few, huh? And then we'll clean up camp here in a minute. You want something to eat? You do?
Eat.
Working on breaking down camp. Tristan's on an adventure. All right, all packed up. Ready to go. Put the tire leveling rocks right there, back in the fire pit. You ready, dude? back out onto the main road. Do you think we should go find a lost lake?
Yeah!
So we left camp. We decided to come to another lake, and going up the road, it is insane how many people are camping off the road. And it's also crazy if you just go down a road a little bit, that's just a tiny bit harder, how no one's out there, huh? Yeah, it's pretty nuts, right?
Yeah. We're almost to Lost Lake, and I don't know how much longer it is, but maybe an hour or so or something.
Not that long.
Maybe 35 seconds or...
Maybe. We're just going nice and slow down this little dirt road, huh?
Yep.
Let's see. See, just real slow, cruising along. Okay, we made it to Lost Lake, right?
Yeah.
It is also pretty low, but we're gonna throw a reel in or a lure, not a reel. Crazy.
What?
Nothing. We're gonna try it out, huh? See what happens, right, buddy?
Yeah. Set this down.
What's our plan here?
I'm gonna go on that rock in there.
Okay. Just be careful on those rocks in the middle, okay? Make sure, what do we do with our feet? We make sure we have sure footing, right?
Did you want my fishing rod?
How am I gonna get it out to you?
Just jump again. Just jump.
Oh, you got it. You got it, buddy. I believe in you.
This one's kind of
Good one. Well, the water's so low that every time I cast, we're getting moss, but I'm seeing fish hit off the top. But we did not bring my fly fishing rod, did we? Are you snagged?
Yep.
Oh man. Well, now we got a snag recovery, huh? Yeah. Oh, you got it. Reel. You got it out. Keep reeling, keep reeling. Oh yeah, see, look at all that moss you got. Oh, that's a stick, I think.